This gizzard fried rice is so delicious and simple to make. Hi lovelies, let's do this. First, you want to cook your gizzard. Make sure it's properly washed. Go ahead and season with any seasoning of your choice. I'm using chopped onions, minced garlic, curry powder and salt. I'm going to give it a good stir. Cover and allow it to cook until soft. As you can see, I did not add water because it's going to sweat enough water that will be enough to cook it. Once that is done, I'm going to scoop it out and fry it. Please note, don't over fry the gizzard, otherwise it's going to be chewy and you don't want that. Just fry a little to get a bit of texture. Next, I'll cut the gizzard into pieces and set aside for later use. You can also leave it the way it is totally up to you. Here are my other ingredients: sweet corn, bell peppers, red, green, yellow, and my spring onions. The next step is to make my rice. I'm using the combinations of butter and vegetable oil. I'm going to allow it to heat up. Then I'll add bay leaves, chopped onions, curry powder, seasoning cubes, and chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I'll stir and allow it to fry for a while. Next, I'll add my well-washed rice. Stir very well and allow it to toast for 3 minutes. Then I'll add my stock. Cover and allow it to cook until it dries up. At this time, the rice has cooked properly and well dried, looking fluffy. The next step is to fry my vegetables. I'm going to add vegetable oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Next, I'll add chopped onions, bell peppers and sweet corn. I will slightly season with seasoning cube. Stir very well and allow it to fry for 3 minutes before adding my fried gizzard. Give it a good stir and I will begin to add my cooked rice and mix until well combined. The last thing to add is my spring onions. I love the fresh flavor, that is why I'm adding it last. You can also add it early, it depends on what you want. And that is it. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.